Hello friends, welcome back to Emmanuel Academy, and today we are starting a new series which is fraction. So what is fraction? Fraction is a part of a whole. I repeat, fraction is a part of a whole. Let's look at this illustration. This is a triangle. This is a triangle, and suppose that in this triangle I want to divide it into three parts. Assume that I divide this triangle now into three parts. Watch it now. Divide it into three parts. If I decided to shade this place, you know that this one is a part out of the whole triangle like this. So if I shade one part, to write it in fraction form, we write it like this: 1 all over 3. Why? Because it is being divided into three parts. This is 1, 2, 3. Okay, assume that I wanted to shade another one here, another one here with red. Then in this case, the fraction now is now 2, that is 1, 2, written as 2 all over 3. So a fraction is a part out of a whole, or is a part of a whole. So mathematically, how do we state fraction? Mathematically, a fraction is of the form m all over n, is of the form m all over n, where m, this is the m now, is the numerator and n is the denominator. So m is called the numerator and n is called the denominator. And also n is not equal to 0. So a fraction is of the form m by n, and we say that n is called the numerator while n is called the denominator. And note that n is not equal to 0. Okay. Alright, let's proceed to types of fraction. Types of fraction. Types of fraction. We have three types of fraction. One is proper fraction. One is proper fraction. So when do you say that a fraction is proper? A proper fraction is a fraction whereby the numerator here, remember I said that n is the numerator, m is the numerator, while n is the denominator. So a proper fraction is a situation whereby the numerator is less than the denominator. An example of it is 1 all over 2, 2 all over 3, 3 all over 4, 5 all over 7 etc. Looking at this example, the numerator here is less than the denominator. The numerator is less than the denominator. A fraction of this form is called proper fractions. Then the second type of fraction is improper. Improper fraction. So now, improper fraction is just the opposite of proper fraction. From that word improper, it's a situation whereby the numerator now is greater than the denominator. So example of it is 3 all over 2, 4 all over 3, 7 all over 5, etc. So looking at this one now, we find that 3 is greater than 2, 4 is greater than 3, 7 is greater than 5. So a fraction of this form is called improper fraction. Then the last type of fraction is mixed number. Mixed number. So when do we say that a fraction is a mixed number? You know, from that word mixed number. A mixed number is a type of fraction that have the combination of a whole number and a fraction. It has a combination of a whole number and a fraction. Example of it is 1 whole number 1 over 2, 1 whole number 2 over 3, 5 whole number 1 over 4, etc. So in this case now, this is a whole number, this is a whole number, and this is a what? A fraction. 1 over 2, 2 over 3, 1 over 4. So if a fraction of this form is called a mixed number. Now let's consider addition and subtraction of fraction. Subtraction, addition and subtraction of fractions. So how do we subtract or add a fraction? Let's take an example. Consider this example. So let's solve it one after the other. Number 1 says 6 whole number 11 all over 12 minus 2 whole number 5 all over 6 minus 1 whole number 1 all over 4. So in solving it, you have two patterns depending on your choice. You can convert this thing, you can convert the whole fraction to improper fraction before doing your simplification, or you can solve direct by adding and subtracting of the whole number of x. But for now, I would like to solve direct without converting it to improper fraction. So what do I mean? Now the whole number I have here is solution. Let's start. Solution. So the whole number I have is 6 minus 2 and minus 1. So I write them out. So it becomes 6 minus 2 minus 1 plus the fraction I have now, the fraction part is 11 all over 12 minus 5 all over 6 minus 1 all over 4. So 6 minus 2 minus 1. This will give us 6 minus 3, then plus 11 all over 12 minus 5 all over 6 minus 1 all over 4. Now 6 minus 3 will give us 3 plus 11 all over 12 minus 5 all over 6 minus 1 all over 4. So to this extent now, to this stage, we find the LCM. The LCM of the denominator, that is 12, 6, and 4, which you know that the LCM is 12. So you now have that, implies that 3 plus, so the LCM is what? Is 12. So 12 in 12, we have 1. 1 times 11 will give us 11 minus 6 in 12, we have 2. 2 times 5, we have give us 10 minus 4 in 12 will give us 3. 3 times 1 will give us 3. Okay. Then implies that 3 plus, simplify this. This is 11 minus 10 minus 10 minus 3. You can say that this is 11 minus 10 will give us this is 1 minus 3 all over 12. Okay. Now in this stage now, you find out that 1 is less than 3. What do? You come to this whole number and split it into 2 equal base. Imply that this is 3, sorry, this is 2 plus 12 all over 12. What do I use 12? Because the denominator here is 12. So 12 all over 12, I have not changed anything. You know that 12 divided by 12 is 1. 1 plus 2 will give us 3. So I have not changed anything here. Plus 1 minus 3 all over 12. So in this case now, you find out that 2 plus the LCM of 12 and 12 is 12. 2 plus 12 plus 1 minus 3. So you have that 2 plus that 2 plus, rationalize here once, this is 12 plus 1 will give us 13. 13 minus 3 will give us 10 all over 12. Okay, to imply that 2 plus, you need to break this one down into its smallest unit. How do we do it? So 2 can come here. When 2 divide 10, we have 5. And when 2 divides 12, we have 6. So implies that this one now can be written as 2 whole number 5 all over 6. So this is the answer for example number. So that is solution for example number 1. I say that example number 2 says 3 whole number 1 over 8 minus some whole number 5 over 6 plus 9 whole number 3 over 4, which I told you before that you can convert this mixed number into improper fraction and take the LCM direct, but I like to simplify it using the whole number then the fractions. So solution. So 3 minus 7 plus 9, you know that 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. So I have 5 whole number plus, then the fraction part remains 1 over 8 minus 5 over 6 plus 3 over 4. The next step is, what is the LCM of 8, 6, and 4? And which you know that LCM of 8, 6, and 4 is equals to what? 24. So this is the LCM. So you have that this is 5 plus, so that the LCM is 24. So 8 in 24, or 24 divided by 8, the answer is 3. 3 times 1 gives us 3. Minus 6 divided by 24, what do you get? You get 4. 4 times 5 will give us 20. Plus 4 divided by 24, the answer is 6. 6 times 3 will give us 18. So the next stage now is simplify. 5 plus 3 plus 18 will give us 21. 21 minus 20 all over 24. Simplify further. 5 plus 21 minus 20 will give us 1 all over 24. Then join them together. Our answer becomes 5 whole number 1 all over 24. 5 whole number 1 all over 24. That is the solution of the second example. The last example says 5 plus 6 whole number 1 over 2 plus 2 whole number 7 all over 10. So in the same manner, we add solution. We add the whole parts. This is 5 plus 6, 11 plus 2, which is 13. 13 plus 1 all over 2 plus 7 all over 10. Then the next thing is to find the LCM. LCM of 2 and 10 is what? Is 10. So now you have that this is 13 plus 10. This is the LCM. Then 10 divided by 2 will give us 5. 5 times 1 give us 5 plus 10 divided by 10 is 1. 1 times 7 is 7. So the next step is 13 plus then 5 plus 7 will give us 12. 12 all over 10. Then this one becomes 3 plus, let's break this one down. 2 in this, we have 6 all over 5. Then becomes 13 plus, we can't leave this thing. Yeah, this is improper fraction. We change it in proper fraction. It says that 5 divided by 6, you have 1 plus what is remaining is 1 over 5. So it becomes that 13 plus 1 plus 1 all over 5, we have 14 plus 1 all over 5. Alright, so join them together comes 14 whole number 1 all over 5. So this is the solution of the last example. Alright, so I'd like to give you a try on these examples under addition and subtraction. So this is our assignment, just two assignments. 13 whole number 1 over 3 plus 2 whole number 1 over 3 minus 10 whole number 1 over 6. Then the second one is 20 minus 12 whole number 1 over 2 plus 4 whole number 1 over 3. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you submit before the next video. Thank you.